Stop scrolling, just 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking. Because what I'm about to share with you might just change the next 50 years of your life. That sounds dramatic, right? Maybe even impossible. But let me ask you something. How many years have you already lived on autopilot? Be honest. How much of your life has been spent reacting instead of creating? Working jobs you don't love, following routines you didn't choose, living a lifestyle designed by someone else's blueprint. Now here's the truth no one wants to hear. If you don't stop and reprogram your direction, the next 50 years will look exactly like the last 5. And you'll wake up at 70, wondering, where did it all go? But that doesn't have to be your story. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the mindset shift that wealthy people understand and broke people never even think about. Let's start with this. The next 50 years of your life are not shaped by what you hope for, but by what you consistently do. Your habits, your beliefs, your environment, your daily decisions. You're not broke because you lack money. You're broke because you were never taught how money really works. Pattern interrupted. If I gave you a Lamborghini, but told you it only runs on discipline, sacrifice, and focus, would you still take it? Most people wouldn't, because they want freedom without cost, success without change. But wealth favors the intentional. And if you're not intentionally designing your future, then you're unintentionally destroying it. Here's the cliffhanger nobody talks about. You will live one of 2 futures, by design or by default. And both are happening now. Let's break it down. Act 1, the wake-up call. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are. Broke, confused, scared. What separated them wasn't talent or luck. It was one moment of clarity, followed by 1,000 uncomfortable decisions. They didn't find success. They built it, brick by brick, habit by habit, dollar by dollar. The first shift? They stopped asking, well, what do I feel like doing? And started asking, what does my future self need me to do today? That question right there, it's a blueprint. You can apply it to your money, your health, your business, your relationships. Because the truth is, most people don't fail because they made the wrong choice. They fail because they never made a choice at all. Act 2, the framework that builds generational wealth. Here's what 95% of people get wrong. They chase income, not assets. They chase comfort, not growth. They chase distractions, not discipline. Let's flip that. If you want the next 50 years to look different, start doing what wealthy people do. Think in decades, not days. Short-term pain builds long-term power. If you're only thinking about your next paycheck, you'll never build your first portfolio. Buy back your time. Every hour you waste on meaningless scrolling is a deposit into your regret account. Use that time to learn, build, and create. Invest in your mindset more than your wardrobe. A $50 hoodie won't grow your wealth, but a $50 book, course, or connection, that could be worth $5 million over time. Cut dead weight. People who mock your goals, laugh at your dreams, or waste your time, they're not your future. They're your anchor. Build before you broadcast. Don't worry about impressing the world. Build quietly. Let your results speak so loudly they can't be ignored. Act 3. Your choice starts now. You've got 2 paths in front of you. One leads to quiet comfort, slow decline, and decades of what if. The other? It's hard. It's uncomfortable. It demands sacrifice, focus, discipline. But it ends in freedom. Financial freedom, mental freedom, time freedom. And it all starts with a decision you make right now, in this exact moment. No, you can't fix your entire life in 5 minutes. But you can change your direction, and direction is more powerful than speed. So take this moment seriously, not because of what you have, but because of who you're becoming. Because in 5 minutes, you can either click away and forget this message, or you can say, enough. I'm done playing small. The next 50 years will not be wasted. If this message struck a nerve, it's because your soul is ready for something more. So share this video with someone you care about, because sometimes 5 minutes is all it takes to change a future. Subscribe to Money Momentum for weekly content that unlocks your wealth, rewires your mindset, and helps you build the life most people only dream about. Your next 50 years. Start right now.